Hey y'all, this is Eliana with Not Redesign, and you are in the Dixie Belle YouTube channel. Today we're going to be redesigning a nice Thomasville dresser that is just in need of a simple update that you can do over one weekend. Let me show you how. This vintage dresser is in pretty good shape. There are no repairs needed, and that is always a win. I'm starting this redesign by removing the old finish from the top and the drawers that are behind the doors in the middle of the dresser. We're going to make those bare and we're going to give them a stain finish later on. White lining is my favorite cleaner. I premix it in a bottle with water and keep it handy to clean everything. I recently bought a bristle brush that I now attach to my drill, and it is the perfect combination. I then wipe everything back with a clean rag and do this throughout the dresser. The dresser is a bit short, so I'm going to add some legs, and I'm going to start by scuff sanding them with a 220 paper. I'm going to clean them well with white lining, wipe them with a clean rag, and I am finally going to begin painting. Yes, I am using silk all-in-one paint. I am using the color Cape Current, this beautiful electric blue. The process takes, 2 to 3 coats. In most cases 2. I did 3 just to be extra. I do the same thing on the drawers and on the doors. If you notice, I am using a synthetic brush. This is the best method to apply silk all-in-one. Some say all-in-one products are a little bit harder to work with. I say use the right tools and you have a perfect finish every single time. Going ahead and painting the underframe because I have the dresser upside down, and that just makes it the easiest way to do this. Legs can be a part of the dresser that gets a little abuse. Sometimes they get kicked or they get hit by different things. So I love using a little extra protection on them by mixing a little bit of clear coat and whatever I have left in my brush of the paint that I'm using, and then applying that as extra. The dresser showed me some signs that there could be some tannings that would be coming through the paint, so I went ahead and applied a clear primer before I applied the paint, and that just really gives me additional protection as well and peace of mind. To complete my redesign, I am using No Paint gel stain in the color walnut on the top and on the drawers. You can use as many coats as you need to. I went with 2 coats on this dresser this time, and I apply each coat within 4 to 6 hours of one another. After you apply the coat, which I do in circular motions, I wipe it back with a rag to make sure that no excess is left on there, and the coats dry faster and without any streaks. 24 hours later, I came back and I did 2 coats of top coat on the body, but it's not necessary. And I also used tough coat or gator hide on the top to protect the stain, as well as on the drawers. And this forgotten dresser now has a completely new look. Here it is, you guys. Cape Current was the perfect option for this dresser. I think it made it modern and vibrant and is going to fit well in any style home. That blue is simply a perfect shade. The walnut stain really works very well, and it complements it beautifully. The stain drawers behind those doors look amazing, and with the added liners, they simply look like a nice, fun surprise. This time I use cleaning vinegar and 000 steel wool to clean the beautiful brass hardware. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure that you subscribe, leave a comment, turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time that we post and you don't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe to Why Not Redesign. Bye.